Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see who shared your post on Instagram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, when you go ahead over to the home section and tap on the heart icon, well, if someone shares your post to their story and explicitly tags your handle using your username or your @, you won't need to look for it. Instagram will automatically drop a notification in your activity tab and create a temporary direct message thread letting you know you were mentioned. All right. Another option, let's say you wanted to check your stories. Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and log into a personal account right here. Or maybe I'm just going to go ahead over to my highlights. All right. So first up, when you go ahead over to your stories activity right here, you'll be able to see the story shares or story reshares. Note, if you don't see this option, it means no public accounts have reshared your post within the last 24 hours, or the stories have already expired. Another option, you can view the account, but not the names. All right, when you go ahead over to your professional account, let's say you have this post, you're going to tap on it, tap on the two lines right here at the very top, and tap on at the very bottom, you have insights. So just tap on it, you'll be able to see the share count, but not who shared it. All right. So those are the ways to see who shared your post on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.